3 hours ago, it looked like this. This is the engine from the old motorbike, which was used for 50 years and went many kilometers. Here's a cylinder head, which is covered with carbon buildup and aluminium oxidation. We will look what Aquablast can do with this. Let's see what we've got now. Everything is gone, all carbon and oxidation, all dirt is removed. Aquablast is the best equipment for cleaning your parts. If you recognized what these parts are, please write in the comments. Aquablast is the cleaning system for cleaning metal parts from rust and dirt. It works basically like sandblasting, but it uses water and as abrasive media, small balls. We used this equipment for cleaning parts of old cars, but of course you also can use it for new cars such as BMW, Mercedes or other cars, as well as for motorbikes. If you would like to buy Aquablast but you have any doubts whether it can clean properly, of course you can send us parts and we will clean it for you for free and send you back. The link to contact us is at the comments below. Please write us in the comments which part we should clean the next.